This couple, they are married for around 5 years. Actually, they both are working in some a medical college nearby. So they came here with primary infertility. So they both are actually, they know about the medical things. So the wife is actually a nurse and the husband is also into the pharmacy department. So they came here, they had tried a lot of options, they tried everything. And finally they came here, they were with us for around 6 to 8 months. We did intrauterine insemination, but it was not working out because the husband parameter was a little poor and the wife had low AMH. So both the male and female sperm and egg quality are little less compared to the normal things. So then we suggested we'll go for the ICSI procedure. So as the wife had low AMH, the eggs we got was very less. So actually we had got around 4 eggs only we had got. And for the husband also, we stimulated him and we made his sperm quality better. So I'll show you when we did the ICSI, these are the eggs we had got for the wife. And this is how the ICSI was done. You can see this is how the ICSI was done for them. I'll show the blast results. So it is done on the 13th we had done, and I'll show the blasts which are formed for them. You can see we had got some good blasts for them. So they are planned for the fresh embryo transfer, and let's see how this is.